For this two balloon airplane, obviously we're using two balloons, two 260s. I've chosen the Teletex Fashion Royal Blue. This is a lovely color. The first one I've inflated, leaving about a 6-inch tail. The second one has about a 1-inch tail left on it. We'll start with the shorter of the two. And we'll start by making about a 2-inch bubble for the front of the fuselage. Now we're going to make about a 1/2-inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist. Another 1/2-inch bubble, make that a pinch twist as well. And we're going to go down about 2.5 inches and repeat that. 2 more pinch twists, or a 1/2-inch bubble, pinch twist, another 1/2-inch bubble, and that also into a pinch twist. So that you now have got your first bubble, a pair of pinch twists, another bubble, and then 2 more pinch twists, and we can line those up in a minute. Now we're going to come back and bring this back along this side of this bubble here, make a bubble the same size as that one, twist it into your front 2 pinch twists, and then come back along it again to the back twist, so you need another bubble the same size, and twist it into the back twist. So you've essentially got a 3-bubble bird body without having to do the row through. Now we're going to make the tail. Figure out how long you want this to be, about 1.5 inches or 2. Make another 1/2-inch bubble, pinch twist. Now we're going to make our 2 horizontal stabilizers for the tail. So you're just going to make a fold twist, about a 2.5 to 3-inch bubble. Lock it in a pinch twist, and then make another one. Squeeze in the air as you go, so you're working out to the end. So you've got 2 fold twists, and the remainder of your balloon is sticking up. This will be the tail of the airplane. Now we're going to take our other 260. This is going to be our wings. And there are several ways you can do this. If you want, you can take and inflate this fully, or just about, squeeze it, and then attach the midpoint in here, and then bring it back and bring your 2 ends to make your wings like that. What I'll do, and this is just a preference thing, I'll come in at the back, twist it into the back pinch twist, and then you've got choices here. If you want a delta wing type airplane, make about a 6 or 7-inch bubble, and you measure and bring that up, and you get a delta wing, like a fighter. Or you can go about 6 or 7 inches out, make a little small bubble, and then another bubble slightly longer than that back bubble. Twist that back in up there, and get somewhat of a more traditional wing look. So it's your choice. Then you want to make sure your other wing is the same size, so I'll come back out and I'll just lay it alongside, measuring each of my bubbles as I go, and then twist back into that set of back pinch twist there. I'll pop this excess off. When you see me go off camera and cut, I've got a snippet attached to my cart which keeps it stable, so I can just swipe the balloon through it. Now you want to flatten your wings out, and that's what those pinch twists do, they hold it flat. You can turn your tail up. You can turn it that way and make this your cockpit, or if you want, you can turn it over this way and put a little clear, diamond clear right across, connect it from that pinch twist to that pinch twist to make a clear cockpit. So again, you've got some choices there according to what you want to do. I'm just going to stick with this for now. And then you just draw your little cockpit however you want to on there. And a little 2 balloon jet.